Hello, my name is Sorkatal Gautam, and today I am going to explain the application given for us to build at the Zithara second round. So we have been asked to build an application with PostgreSQL as backend and React.js in the front end. So we have been asked to create a dummy database with 50 records with the fields of customer name, age, phone, location, and date and time. So we should also add these functionalities like if we search the customer name or location, the following records should be popped up, and we can also sort the our data by using the date and time. And another thing is there should be 20 records per page for the pagination purpose. So this is how we should complete the web page. And I have added an additional feature called as ascending and descending, so we can sort the data in ascending order as well as descending order too. So I have added that feature, and so let us see. So these are the complete customer details. So we can see there are 20 per page, and if we go to next page there are another 20, and next page there are remaining 10 records. So let us go back to the previous pages, and we can also search. If we search customer underscore 2, we will see all the results for customer underscore 2. These are the results for customer underscore 2, and we can also search the location in the same way, location underscore 1. These are the people who are in the location 1. So this is all for the search, and we can also sort the data after searching too. So if we sort the data by name, this is the ascending order. We can also search this in descending order. So this changes like this, and coming to date and time, we can sort this using date and time in descending order as well as in ascending order. Okay, so um, I think that's so. Okay, we'll do. That's it. This is how the web application work. Now I'll show how I have built it using code. So coming to code, this is the backend code. Uh, I have created Express.js, and I have created an Express.js server using Node.js, and here I have used cors and PG, which is a uh, PostgreSQL, what is that called as, which is used for PostgreSQL, working with PostgreSQL. So here I have given the details for the username, host, database name, and password, and on which port it is working. And this is the route I have created, the get route for records. So this is the query. The query is the customer should be selected where the customer name is like the search. Here I have taken the parameters from the front end page. The front end parameters will be page will be given, and sort by will be given. Sort by will be sorted using the time and date, and the search, using the search we can search for the this will give the search string through which we can search the table, and sort by ascending or descending. For this I have used this. As you have as per the given requirements, the limit is 20, and this offset is used to calculate what are the records that should be displayed in each page. For the first page, page minus 1 means 1 minus 1 0, so the first 20 will be displayed. For the next page following, 2 minus 1 means next 20 records, 21 to 40 records will be displayed. So this is how I am doing this. And coming to next, I have given a count query, so that for the previous and next options I can customize it. And after executing these queries, I am sending a JSON file to the front end. That is, I am sending the result.rows. That those are all the records which are executed using these queries. And I am also sending the records count, the total count of records that are coming from this particular query executed, or the options you have given. This is the back end of the server. And coming to the front end, this is the front end. In front end, in app.jsx, I am using a helper function first. The helper function is get users data. I am running it on the port 5000, so that using the localhost 5000, we are getting all the records which we need, and we are sending the params to that particular function as I have shown before. Or the parameters are these parameters: page, sort by, search, and sort type. So these are the parameters we are sending, and I am taking help of this in the page app.jsx, and here I am asking for the I am using that function and getting the data. So here at starting, this is normal h1 tag. After that, this is for search. Here we can enter search, and this is the select value by using which we can sort the values, and this is the type of sorting, ascending and descending. And here I am using the customer list JSX, and displaying the data we have got from the backend. So if there is no data we found, I am showing it as no data found, and if we found any data, I am using this customer list.jsx to render the data. Here we are displaying using table, and the data we have got from the backend. That's it. I am parsing the data using the date will be in Unix format, right? So that I am passing the data so that it would be properly and it would be understandable. So this is how I am using this customer.list.jsx and rendering it in the app.jsx file. So, and then finally there are buttons for next page and previous page. These will be based upon the records that have been generated, as I have shown before. The count query, right? If there are more than 20 records, then there will be next page. If there are less than 20 records, there will be single page without previous and next buttons. And if there are more than 20, there will be next page. That's how I am showing it. If you see here, there are only 5 queries. That's why there is no next and previous buttons. So like this I have executed everything, and coming back to, that's it. This is the back end, and this is the front end of the web page. And thank you.